Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change lock screen clock font size on iPhone. So if you want to get to know how it's done, right here, swipe to the screen that you want to change, tap customize, and then tap lock screen, and then tap the time and to change the font color and style. So basically I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. I'm going to just go ahead to my settings. In my settings, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and after I scroll a little bit down, let me just close this window real quick. All right, I'm gonna just go back to my settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my wallpaper. Right, in the wallpaper you're gonna see the many background photos that you actually created. So I'm gonna customize this current wallpaper, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the clock. Right, I can change the font right here, right, to whatever that I want, and I can change the thickness of that font, right, and I can change the color, right, and they will apply on all of them. And if you want to change, you can swipe left and see the many templates for that, and you can just change it to whatever that you actually want. All right, I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.